What's up, Kat? How you doing? Water bottle, GoPro. We're trying out some new GoPro angles while taking rollers. Camera bag. Dude, from our last shoot, so much pollen got in here. Just everywhere. I'm gonna have my buddy detail it, because it's bad. Gotta mount this bad boy up now too. This way. And then flip it upside down, and boom. We got views. It covers the entire outside and then like inside right here. So while I'm sitting taking rollers, it should get the car outside too and just show everything going on and get a better view for you guys. The shoot that I'm doing today is with a good friend of mine named Curtis. His Instagram is 8lug, and he has a badass GT350 S550 Mustang. And he's got a bunch of new special carbon parts on it, and he wants like a bunch of roller shots, a bunch of stills, shots from above the car, like showing off the hood and all the new vents. So all black car on a cloudy day, this is gonna be amazing. Because yesterday I shot a blue car in sunset, and that is like, not the worst, like it still comes out sick, but it's pretty hard to edit. So yesterday, we shot on a live airstrip, and I think today we're shooting on an abandoned airstrip. What is all that? Oh, look at the 43 on the side.
Oh.
Sir?
It's that low.
Dude! The plan is to go for it until someone says something.
Sounds good to me.
He's got rocks on his lip right down here. Another drill. Let's aim for this pad. All right, you're gonna take this camera.
Okay.
And just show off what he does, show off what I do, make fun of your dad, make fun of your dad's car. You wanna take the rocks off now?
You can take the rocks off now.
Oh god.
It's recording, yeah it is.
Yeah, it says wreck. Get wrecked.
Hey, watch where you're throwing those things.
I'm switching it off the cannon.
The whole thing's a cannon.
Yeah, but that thing's the real cannon. Way more bigger than the other ones. This American flag looks sick on this window. And also follow 8lug on Instagram. These wheels look sick. This is a GT350. It's not a freaking Mustang. It's a freaking Shelby. Now you using the cannon? Look at that car. It looks so good. It looks so good. I'm gonna get in that van and vlog this car. This car. This car. This car. Not that car. That car. How you doing?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
Good. It's like.
Would you buy this?
Yes.
You like this?
Yeah, it has the Woyshnis media on it.
Feel quality?
Mm-hmm. Jeez, you're gonna break the camera!
Trust it. You trust that?
No. I only...
Don't buy the camera strap then.
What is that air pump for?
It gets all the dust off.
Oh, cool.
That way the pictures stay clear.
Can you do that with mine?
Yeah, I got you.
One of mine got like a little blurry. Am I in the shot?
Nope, you're good.
Okay. Why is Brendan all the way there when the car's freaking there?
He's got the big glass again. Look at that. He's got the cannon out.
That car looks sick.
So we're gonna go down and back a couple times. So on one lap, I'm gonna have you here, and then I'll be shooting out the back. On the other lap, I'll be here, and you'll be shooting from up there. So you can use that window too to shoot.
Okay. Nice.
After that truck, yeah?
Okay, I'm just gonna do this.
Oh my god, Curtis.
No, you're not. That's so. Oh my god, what are those farting sounds? I'm getting some from up here. Dang, that looks cool. Don't make Brendan. Yo, look at that. Look at that. Okay, I think I can zoom out now. are moving so fast. Don't drop your camera. Oh.
Dude, the cloudy days are where it's at. Yeah.
Look at this. Yeah, that was awesome. So nerve-wracking. I'm in like a race car. Oh, that's unsafe. Yeah, I'm gonna get a lunch break and gonna record some more. Make fun of Brendan because he ruins my shot. And Tyler too. Ruins my shots too. Holy fudge nuggets! Dang, look at that car.
The kid said he wants to ride with us. Cool. We're taking the kid.
So, we found a new location. How many stairs do you think there are? Oh, these are gonna be some good pictures here. Look at it! What?
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 Make sure it focuses.
They're kind of pointing at me.
Come on, Mike. Don't hit her, Mike. Just let her go so this car moves so I can get the photo. Yeah, the guy in the background, he's just been standing watching this whole time. This chick's been laughing her ass off the whole time. And then they've just been fighting. She asked me to watch her bike and table, so she's like, I'll be back in 10 minutes. I was like, we'll be here for at least 10 minutes. I'll make sure no one touches her.
Why do people like this?
I don't know.
You don't know? Why?
People just like watching other people's lives for some reason. It's interesting. Well, I think they got that handled now with 4 cop cars.
How did the Hoonigans end their videos?
That's a rat!